Lovely. So I'm starting out here, leaving the Airbnb that I stayed. Well, he was a lovely host, and the place is nice and immaculate. If you are in Kampala, and it's a townhome in a nice, safe neighborhood, let me know, hit me up, and I'll let you know where to book. It was an Airbnb, and it was pretty good price. So let me know. If you guys are looking for a place to stay in Kampala, and I could recommend you to him. All right, guys, so we're about to start our day and start our journey, and this is how we're started. And I saw some of my... Hey, lovely, so this is what I got a chance to see this morning, and I'm just going to go ahead and insert a clip here so you can see what I witnessed this morning. Good morning, lovelies. Good morning. Look who is here this morning in the trees, right outside of where I'm staying. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Do they steal the food? We were at one and they were just stealing our food. Do they ever come down on the road, or they stay up there? Do they come down? Hey, hey, friend. Hey, friend. Hey, friend. I'm making it back up in the tree, guys. They are just all over here in the trees. Look at this one. Look at this one. This one looked like mischievous. Like he makes all the trouble. Look at him. He's a prankster. And so it's a pretty nice neighborhood, and they're having fun. All right, lovelies. She went down. earlier here, but now they're not here anymore. But hey, I don't see them. They're gone. They have vamoosed. They're no longer here. They're not in the trees or anything. I don't see them. So this is where we stayed. This is the area, and this is how lovely it is. This is a lovely area. Okay. All right, guys. So we will see you. Good morning. We will see you at the next location. This is how the area is, a really nice area, and you guys will like it. Okay, guys. So see you in a bit. Bikes are the same everywhere you go. No matter which country you're in, you have to deal with these bikes. The bikes. No matter which country you go in, it's the same thing with the bikes. How they go in and out.
But Uganda has more motorbikes than Kenya.
Oh, they do?
Oh, yes.
They started here. I wish you go to Kampala town. Then you go to the roundabout.
More than even people.
They're more than people. Guys, they're saying the bikes are more than people.
They are uncontrollable.
They're uncontrollable.
You can't control them.
You hear policemen whistling.
No, they pass everywhere.
If you're running late, get out of your car, jump on a motorcycle.
Yeah.
That's actually what I did. We got caught in traffic when I was coming.
You go to Kampala town, that is when you're gonna see do the crazy things. We have so many.
Oh, this is nice. This is well manicured. What? This is the U.S. Embassy?
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, I know this place. Okay. Yeah, I know this place. But you never touch this people. That's something.
Go there, you.
looks nice. So this is the roundabout you're talking about?
Yeah.
With the oranges. Guys, this is Kampala, that's Grandfather Hotel. This is a roundabout, and I'm telling you, the road is dirt. It's a dirt road. And you know, everywhere you go with these bikes, it's the same thing. Nothing hasn't changed. These are the streets of Kampala. What is this area called? Huh? Those are apartments up there. They have they just go zoop, zoop, zoops out of traffic. They don't care how they go, what they go up against, they don't care. Look at it, guys. Look at these bikes. I swear, everywhere you go, no matter which country you're in, these bike people are, sorry to say, but they're a nuisance. Nuisance.
Yeah, look at this really pretty views.
The hotspot is on?
You talking to me?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, hold on. I'm trying to get a Airbnb. Jenga.
Living in Kampala. Kampala is not from Kampala.
They said it's a drive to Kampala, you can drive everywhere.
If you go out of Kampala without a scratch on the border. Ah. Yeah.
Guys, look at that. This is a whole nother experience. Oh, and look, of course they have the plants that they're doing on the side of the road. That, I wish I had time. Oh, look, they have a marijuana plant right there. They have a ganja plant. Is ganja legal here? Marijuana, weed.
That's not big. Those are big flowers.
No. I just saw a weed plant. One weed plant sitting there. I know what a weed
The
look
long
like.
clips?
No, I know what a weed look like.
No, like just the one with the long clips. I think that is allowed to have like a tiny amount.
Okay.
Because some people use it as medicine.
Hi, lovelies. So thank you for watching this all the way to the end, but more importantly, make sure to stay tuned for the next video in the Uganda series, as this one is going to be mind-blowing, heart-tugging, and very emotional, and also time to reminisce and think about what these individuals going through this journey, how they felt at the time. So make sure to subscribe if you have not so far and turn your notification bell on. See you, lovelies.